This is Dr. Preeti Saini, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Shiravatpura Sarkari University. Today we are going to study the topic data collection. Let us start with an introduction. Data collection is defined as the procedure of collecting and gathering, measuring information on variable and analysis, accurate insight for research using standard well-dated techniques. A researcher can evaluate the hypothesis on the basis of collected data. In overall, we can say that data collection is a process of collecting information from all the relevant sources to find answers to the research problem, test and hypothesis, and evaluate the outcome. Importance of ensuring accurate and appropriate data collection. In this study, our preference of defining data qualitative or qualitative, that is quantitative or qualitative. Accurate data collection is essential to maintaining the insanity of research. Both the selection of appropriate data collection instruments, exciting, modify or newly developed, and clearly enlightened instructions from their correct use reduce the likelihood of error occurring. Consequence from the improperly collected data includes inability to answer research questions accurately, inability to repeat and validate the study, distorted findings resulting in wasted research, misleading other researchers to pursue fruitfulness, awareness and investigations, compromising decisions for public policies, causing harm to human participants and animal subjects. Let us see the 6 steps for data collection. The first steps include identify issues or opportunities for data collection. Let us see the first steps to identify issue or opportunity for data collection and to decide what next step to take. For completing it, may be helpful to conduct an internal or external assessment to understand what is happening inside or outside your organization. Step 2. Select issues, opportunity to set goals. The major focus of step 2 is choosing a priority issues, an opportunity for collecting data, and then setting goals and objectives. The organization reviews the arise issues, opportunity identified from the internal and external assessment done for the first step and pick one or more specified issue or opportunity for starting a data collection project from amongst the list priorities. Step 3. Plan an approach and their methods. In the third, organization will make decision about who will be served, how data will be collected, the sources of data that will be used, and the duration of the data collection projects, among other questions. These decisions may be made in consultance with an expert. The method and approach will flow from the goal set in second step and will vary significantly depending on number of factors including the organization, context, size, resource and the purpose and compatibility of issues, opportunities selected. Step 4. Collect data. When planning on how best to collect is fourth. It is important to aware of the practical consideration and the best practice from the addressing logical challenges organizations often face at this stage of the process. Step 5. Analyze and interpret data. It is involved analysis and interpretation of the data collection, whether qualitative or quantitative methods are gathering data are used. The analysis can be complex or less. So, depending on the method used and the amount of data is collected accordingly. Briefing the technical steps includes in analyzing and interpreting data is beyond the scope of this guide, and organizations will have to determine whether it is internal capacity and expertise to analyze the interpret data itself or whether it will need the help of an external consent. Step 6. Results. Once an organization has analyzed and interpreted the result of data collected, it may decide to act on the data collected, more of a same type of data, or modify its approach. Thank you everyone.